Hello everyone, my name is Nellie, I'm an application specialist here at Malvern Panalytical, and today I'm going to talk to you about 3 reasons to upgrade from the Zetasizer Nano to the Zetasizer Advance. First of all, faster measurements. The Zetasizer Advance uses adaptive correlation, a statistical approach that captures the optimal amount of data in the shortest time possible. It also identifies any data that are not representative of the sample. Second of all, improved data quality guidance. With the help of a trained neural network, the Zetasizer Advance evaluates size results, identifies potential quality issues, and provides advice to improve sample preparation and therefore the accuracy of the results. Third of all, automation. With the introduction of the sample assistant, it frees up the users from remaining in front of the instrument during measurements, as the entire process is now automated.